here in Lacuna have been working with. We have been working here in 20 years, and it was folding door. I bought folding doors because it's fantastic to fold up and get the nature in and be able to sit and talk with the people outside and being in the kitchen and things like that. It makes inside out. So we have been working since the last 20 years with heat-treated wood because each door, it cannot be wider or more narrow, so we don't have the problem they have, and because of the the way we hang it up. Morten and Jan and other colleagues and I, we have been working very, very close to that to make the issue. We need to use the CNC from Biesse, so we have the accuracy, the right tooling, and we are in very good hands by Junget here in Denmark to take care of this, and this is very, very important for us. We have, of course, a door single to get a start opening or a double door if they go apart to each side. But we have decided not to make everything. I find the Biesse technology as a system. Now Trump have destroyed it a little bit. I love to be here and coming in the evening and hear the Biesse robots is working all night, because we can have it working 10 hours just by itself. We are actually happy, very happy about working together with Biesse and Junget, because Junget is the first company we call to.
All our products here are custom made, so they also on one customer one measurement of the door, and from that they can choose how many door leaves and things like that they have. The software-wise, we combine that in our own system and export it to the Biesse machines. But when we make new developments, it's very important for us the simulation tool that you bring on the newer machine. The first one we didn't have the simulation, and that there we had to be much more careful when we put on new products on the machine. Now we can simulate instead. That helps us a lot. The Biesse machinery is very good. The selling points that when we bought the machine from Junget, that the service department is very good. And that's, I often say, the first machinery you buy on price and what it can do. The second machinery you buy if it keeps doing it and the service is good.